What up? Yo. Content. I'm just setting all this stuff up real quick. Setting it up, setting it up. Yo, what up, CT? Sean, Jay Styles. Hold on. I'm like not even there yet. I gotta get everything up. Oh, what, the lunchtime break? You talking about lunchtime break? Lunchtime break is necessary. At least if you take half hour, 45 minutes to just walk away. You don't need to get like some massive, break, but just a little break is nice. Yo. Oh. Yo, what up, Lee? Well, this looks pretty good. We're going long. The Bulls do keep stepping up, Keith. The Bulls. Yeah, I mean they had every opportunity to bust it heavy right here, and they didn't. Every opportunity and just couldn't freaking get it going. No balls. Those Bears have no balls. I mean, just couldn't do it. Oh. Yo, Jorge Garcia, what up? Yo, if you're on the stream, say what's up, man. Dude, I just freaking this solo action today is just fucking brutal. Luckily, I did my freaking Top Step account and I'm done with it. But yo, what up, Double O? I gotta fix this actually. Oh. That's interesting. That's interesting. to say the least. What's up, guys? Yo, what up, Gene? David's here. Bum. How you guys doing today? What up, Ray? Chilling like not a villain? What? Yo. I'm not even going to get into this, but there's definitely something interesting that I found last night. And I might keep it on my charts going forward. I got a back test. Got a back test, but yo, Cobra, this is ripping for you. Yo, what's so weird is too, oh, there, they just redrew. I was like, where did they go? Yo, you scared style? You just got to let it go. I noticed the entries have been fucking pretty awful recently. I'm just trying to scrape back, a couple bucks at a clip here. Frozen style engaged. Let it go. Bro, the pre-market EMA I have tells me long, short, or range in the morning. It's great. Then I just look for a bull flag or bear flag and enter at the EMA. Dude, I wanted to try that software, but the price point was the thing you got is like a couple $1,000, right, Chad? Like, it looks really cool. Don't get me wrong. Looks really fucking cool. I just can't bring myself to spend it. But I think it's awesome. Like, I looked at the videos and shit, and I was like, that's pretty cool. Like, if it was lower, I would buy it unless I didn't see the thing correctly. Like, they had one for. Yeah, no, I completely agree. They had one for TradingView that was lesser. Did you ever test that? The TradingView one? What's the TradingView one like? Because that was like only like $100 or something. I'll take a look. Look at that. They swept the initial balance and came right back through. How fucking delayed was that? Yo, what up, Keith? Oh, Kevin Ivory. Welcome to the stream, brother. Dude, I clicked this when we were here. Yo, there's something wrong. Look, I clicked the button. I'm so freaking delayed. Look, I just clicked 1, 2. My Tradeovate is freaking delayed. Super delayed. I don't know why it's like that. Little rough day there, Kevin. A little rough. Just the price action hasn't been great. And just hasn't been great price action. Like, it's just slow, very slow moving. A lot of chop and very slow. It's the best way to put it. You know, like these moves that look big, like this is a 60-point move. Like, that's not that big of a move. When a week or two ago we were getting, 150-point moves. Just kind of seems like, yeah, that's what I'm saying, CT. Like, there was one point last week that every candle was 20 points. I was like, holy shit, like I got to play micros. It was so crazy. Yo, D Brown in the house. Are you on the stream? Come say what's up. You're out on Tuesdays? Yeah, if you're new and hang out on the stream, come say what's up. We like to hear from you. I might play smash or pass right here. Well, that's pretty much how you should do it, Ray. I want to get into swing trading. I want to get into swing trading my AMP account more. Okay. I'm looking at the screenshot you posted. Yo, what up, Luke? What up? What up? Everybody in my Discord group has been having issues with Tradeovate. I know. I've contacted Apex about it already. Dude, if they reach back and say that they're undoing today if you were red, it would be fucking amazing. That's what I think I might do. I mean, I reached out to him, but we'll see what happens. Yo, having a rough day, Smokey. I don't even know how many I bought because I click and nothing happens. Nothing happens. Like Trade Evade is so fucking. Trade Evade's brutal. That thing I'm looking at is your what do you call it? That's your trading view thing. So you just wait for the up. You basically wait for the uptrend, and then you're taking bull flags, and then using their software to kind of say, "Bro, can't stop, won't stop." It's the Tradeovate site that's slow. I mean, I reached out to them. I reached out to them already. Dude, the guy emailed me. I emailed them about Tradeovate, and their email back is about TradingView. After I got stopped at Apex on TV because so you had a TradingView issue? Yo, what up, Cam? I got stopped out. I don't know what the deal is. Yo, I just emailed them. When you click the button, it just when I click the button, the whole thing just doesn't go in. Like there's like a delay on my end about 3 seconds before I enter. Yo, it's Kraken's fault. It's Kraken's fault. If you have NinjaTrader 8, it'll show entries and close way before the Tradeovate site close. Yeah. Yo, Quant Tower is amazing right now. I've traded with Quant Tower this morning, and Quant Tower has been pretty good. I have not had any issues. It's funny. I had no issues with Quant Tower, and my accounts are up in Quant Tower. I just posted my trade with the software on Discord. It's a mixture of a lot of things. It's a mixture of being delayed and then some bad decisions sprinkled in. Just trading chop. And then I basically hit I don't know. I was short biased the whole time. You would expect me to be up a ton, but I was short biased the whole time we were on the morning stream. So I don't really know. Literally, I could have shorted anywhere up here and been up. And GME, But guys, you got to remember, like, I sometimes just have red days, just like you guys. Like, I'm not 100% green days every single day. Like, you know, I'm gonna have red days. It's part of trading. Yeah, it's not helping that the software was delayed, but I also made poor decisions. And you're gonna have red days, dude. If nobody's having all green days, if they say they have never have red days, they're probably lying to you. So, it is what it is. If the red days annoy you, then it shouldn't affect what you're trading next. Like my next trade isn't based off of I am red today. Like my next trade is just based off of a setup that I would take if I was red or green. Yo, never. Yeah, like this was a mixture of everything. It was definitely poor decisions. It was definitely the shit being delayed, which frustrated me. But you know what? You got to overcome it and you got to make the trades and stay in. I got chopped up and that's it. What's nice about trading is I come back tomorrow. Yeah, Lee, I don't remember the last time I had a red day like this. Man, it's been a while. And I'm not even that red. My Top Step account is up on the day. I got 3 My Funded Future funded accounts up today. I passed another account in Fideas. I have some accounts that are green, but listen, sometimes you just take an L. Hey, Cove, do you have a personal life account? I do. Are you talking about stocks and options, or are you talking about futures? Futures, I use AMP, and I sync through Quant Tower. And stock and options, I use E-Trade. That's pretty much how I go. Oh, you know what we did? If you're talking about it, yeah, the lead account worked and all the other accounts behind it didn't follow. Yeah, Replicanto kind of hosed me. This wasn't that, though. I know I got one more good trade in me, hopefully, at the end of the day. Does E-Trade do their own clearing? I would assume they're massive. Like E-Trade is massive. I don't trade futures in E-Trade. I used to. I don't. The commissions are expensive. I use AMP. Yeah. I use AMP through some people you like AMP, some people use Tradeovate, some people use Ninja Trader. Those are basically the 3 that I would go with. I wouldn't go with like a stock brokerage because the commissions are usually higher. I have a Fidelity retirement account and I actually don't like the platform. So I don't my Fidelity accounts are mostly things that I'm looking to buy and hold for a while. Yeah, I have an open. Oh, what's up, Kelly? Yeah, I have an open. It's just an eval, and yeah, it don't follow it because it's not looking good. Don't follow it. This PA has been disgusting. Glad I'm taking a break for a couple weeks. It has been disgusting. Yesterday and today have been disgusting. Their issue is there's no news. So you're not getting the pushes that you normally would get. Like you're just missing out on like the volume moves. I will say a week like this is great for selling options because the market hasn't gone anywhere. So all the options you've sold become worthless and you collect all the premium. So like this week has been an unreal week for me in that department. Ah, fuck me, motherfucker. Are you? Oh, fuck. Dude, I just spilt fucking coffee everywhere. Hold on 1 second. Oh. Dude, I can't believe that just happened to me. Fuck, dude. Oh, jeez. This is a cleanup and a half. Yo, it's that kind of day, boys. It's that kind of day. I'm gonna have to take all this paperwork on my desk off. All because I hit the straw of like an empty the frappe I was drinking. I hit the straw and it just tilted it over because there was nothing in it except for like the bottom. Bro, that's how my day is going. Everything that could go wrong. Everything that could go wrong has gone wrong. Hopefully not like nah. You spilled water on your keyboard. At least if you unplug it or shut it off and put it like in a big bag of rice, you'll be fine. Yeah, computer's fine. Lids are for kids. What up, Dora? The ding, you hear the ding in your sleep. Yo, Sean, Jesus. Yeah. So, anyways, I'm back. It's just been that type of day. See, if you look though, like this should have been the short entry, like right here. Flip this gap to the downside. Full port. I don't know. We'll see. I've got to play it. It's part of my strategy at this point. You know. Bro, this guy won't stop fucking calling me. I contacted this dealership about a Jeep. And the guy won't stop freaking calling me. I'm not going to lie. I am looking forward to having a couple less accounts because it's kind of freaking annoying. Bro, he's all over me, man. Dude, he must have texted me about 8 times. At least 8 times he's texted me. And he just keeps calling me every single day. Every day I get a phone call. Like, bro, negotiate over email. There we go. Just a couple shekels. Man, what happened today? Why so red? I decided to copy trade 8 accounts. So if I don't copy trade 8 accounts, you would see one account red. And then you would see, like, out of all these accounts, you'd see one red. It's just I copy traded today. I copy traded today like an idiot. And it wasn't even my plan to do it. Send him a D pick and say, oops, wrong number. But yeah, like, this is when I tell people copy trading is awesome until it's not. Like, it's awesome because if I was green, everybody would be like, yo, that was awesome. You copy traded. But when you copy trade and you're red, it's like, dude, you just blew all those accounts. So, when I copy traded, yesterday and the day before, it's all good. And then this is the other side of copy trading that nobody wants to show you. You can blow accounts, and not you just blow one account, you blow all of them that you were trading. I might get a payout with Apex today. We're gonna see how we'll see how the day ends, Alex. I'm right there for a payout. We'll see if I can get. How much money do I need? I need $380. So if the boys want me to go for it, I'll go for it right at the end of the day. I'll go for a $500 payout. No, Take Profit Trader is down like $900 today. I'm not trading it anymore. I don't want to blow it. I'm just going to kind of sit and chill out. If I get the Apex payout for $500, it would make my day. And Jesus. This price action is so bad. Just doesn't go anywhere. I'm just looking. We're basically on an inside hour. Folks, everybody knows that tariffs are like taxes, but smarter. Tremendous. I like them. Oh, geez. Did he just say that, Luke? Luke, did he just do that? Did he just tweet that out? Oh, bro. Calm down, everyone. Dude, you never know. Fucking never know. What did I say earlier? We're going to close red. I still think we're going to close red. What is that? 70 points down from here? Oh, jeez. I didn't even know you can do that on ChatGPT. Yo, ES is dying off. ES is look at this. ES looks like it's dying. The ES looks like it's dying more than the NQ. You're about to make new lows on the day in ES, and NQ is nowhere, is 20 points away. Actually, not even. NQ is 60 points away from new lows, and the ES is pretty much there. I truly think we're going to go red on the day. I grabbed micros. I grabbed 4 micros. I'm going to see what happens. It's too intriguing for me not to. I feel like the ES is going to sell off right here, and it's going to drag the NQ down with it. Actually, ES just made new low a day. Look at that. That was low a day candle right here. NQ is nowhere near it, but we're making lower high, and it just kind of looks like it's just rolling over. Obviously, NQ looks a lot stronger, but I need to fix this shit, actually. If you guys ever set this up, for whatever reason, my clock is 1 hour behind. Don't ask why. No idea why. No idea why, but this is how I have to do it. I think that was the settings I had. I got to relook at it. Dude, the NQ has been dog shit. It has. Yeah, there's no news tomorrow either. Thursday and Friday, you got some news. Thursday and Friday, you got news. Yo, what up, Enrique? You do have news. Next week is going to be a lot better. Next week, there's more news next week. There'll be a lot of shit happening next week. Cody, I play gold sometimes. Why? What are you looking at? Dude, yesterday was rain. Yeah, man. You ain't kidding, CT. Yesterday was super rangy. Yesterday was awful. Yesterday is basically today. It's the same crap. Just another day of crap. Dude, I'm trying to set this to dark theme for the outside, and it's not. Look at that. So nothing's working today. The indicators aren't working. Nothing's working. Honestly, that's bearish. Bearish. Gold is good. I play gold on the higher time frames. What up, Bartolo? So I'll play gold on I'll look at the hourly, and when I like to set up on the hourly, then I go down lower. What's up, Marie? Marie, you crushing it today or what? Tell me you're crushing it today. You crushed it a little before. Well, there you go. I should reformat Windows. It needs every 6 months. This is a browser application, though. So in theory, this has nothing to do with this is just my browser. What's up, Alyssa? Dude, I'll never forget. I was talking to somebody about the browser. Instead of browser, he said brazier, and I just lost my shit. He was like, I was checking my brazier, and he's like, I mean my browser, and I was like, oh, geez. What up, George? Ace is in the house. Haven't seen you in a bit, man. Pascal. Holler's over here. I haven't seen Holler in a while. Yeah. What up, Cam? Did I shake his hand? Unfortunately, I get that joke, Marie. Did I shake his hand? I did not. I was on a Zoom, and the guy was talking about it. And I was like, oh. I was trying to fix something. I forget. This was 4 years ago. It's not like yesterday. Dude, I might just play micros from here for just. Yeah, see, I'm done. I'm not blowing that account on something stupid. I mean, I don't even know what to make of this. Actually, this kind of looks like what we did yesterday. Just follow me. Look, lower high, lower high. We're around VWAP. Look at this. This is exactly what we did yesterday. lower high, and then we kind of just chopped here, and then the last half hour of the market we ripped. Might do that. Might rip it the last half. I kind of like that idea, to be honest. Not that I want to get in up here, but if we get in a little lower, not a terrible idea. It's not terrible. We'll see what happens. Oh, baby. 487? Maybe. Done. I literally shorted the fucking bottom. Look at that. Oh, I didn't even tell you how I blew all these accounts. Check this out. See if I could find it. Oh, I don't even have it up. It's not up. I got stopped out right here. Right here. I blew all those accounts, and then it dropped from 427 all the way down. It dropped 20 points, and I was in 2 contracts. So 20 points, 2 contracts is what? That's $800. It literally stopped me out by like a point, and then I would have made $800 on all these accounts. Just stupidness. That's how I knew. What up, no profit? Piano traders in the house. Oh. Yo, Chad, is that Hikins that you're using? Yeah, zero momentum today. What up, Moneymaker? Zero momentum. 0-0. You get like a nice little run up, and then they just that's what it looks like, though. That's not Hikins on the screenshot. Damn, Chad, what are you, like 23, man? There's no news. They call them 1-to-1s. But yeah, there's no news, nothing that's really pushing the market one way or the other. That's why you're just kind of getting the market's kind of like flopping around like a wet noodle. Yeah, I knew Hikins. You're 40, Chad? Well, I mean, I would have to like really fucking zoom in. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you look young. The yeah. Enrique passed my funded futures email last Thursday morning. Later tonight, I tried to log in my account, said I had a KYC. Okay. They blocked you? Why'd they block you? I sent them a support ticket. Finally today, I get a response saying I'm getting a refund for that eval. What? Yo, Enrique, what country are you from? They let you into this simulation. Oh, jeez. You're in the US, so what's the problem? Why you're in California? What's the issue? What could have brought it up? Are you originally from the US? I'm just trying to figure out why they would block you. I'm just trying to think about reasons. I've been trading with them for like 2 years now. Was that your first funded account with them? Yeah, that's crazy. He blew out the account. Yo, what up, Hector? What's up, man? $25K target 1500. I'm guessing you're in Apex. Did you get into an argument or say something about them in Discord? Yeah, can't be talking shit. Yo, these prop firms have people in all these rooms. By the way, I love my funded futures. I love you guys. And I love all the firms. If anyone's in this room, love you guys. Just keep paying me. Yeah. I never said a bad thing about you guys. Yo. Except you, Danny. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. My funded futures family. Stepsisters fund. Yo, Hollow Point's back. Haven't seen you in a while. What's going on, man? Smooch that Starfish Cove. Yo, you got to do what you got to do, man. I'm not getting kicked off my funded futures. All right. So you guys got to all relax. Dude. It's funny. Everyone picks the day to come back in here when I'm having like the worst day I've ever had in like a month. I don't see people all month. All of a sudden, YouTube knows I'm having a shitty day. And they're like, yo, send everybody back into that guy's room. Send them all. Yeah, I don't know. But it always works out like that. I have a shitty day. And watch, we hit an all-time high in here. Yo, it's the law. It is. I think it's lost porn. I truly think people just love to watch you just lose. Because what up, Maximus? Like, I'll have awesome days, and like I don't see any, like, no one's like, hey, I'm new here. It's all the same. And then all of a sudden, I get smoked one day, and like people are like, oh, I haven't seen you in a while. How you doing? I'm like, Jesus. What up, Bears? I'm going to at least give you a like. I appreciate it, Maximus. Yo, are you going to the doctor, Sean? Or are you just gonna keep riding it out? You need 375 to hit your target? Dude, you might be good, man. Yeah, that sucks, man. Dude, if we run up, yo, I said that in the chat, stem cells. My boy got PRP and stem cells. I'll be honest with you, I don't trade Top Step enough to probably get called up to live, to be completely honest with you. I trade them just to have account. Like, I like Top Step, but like I don't really trade it. But I need accounts for when I go on Top Step TV. They harassing you to go live? I mean, I don't know what the benefits are. I mean, if you're going to go live, I feel like you should just do your own account. Is this thing just going to sell off? You're getting the fourth payout in your same account or in multiple accounts? I don't know how it works because I've gotten 4 payouts from them, but not in the same account. I don't even have my Top Step account open because I locked out for the day. But I've gotten 4 payouts from them and nothing's happened. It has to be in the same account. Yeah, I've gotten payouts. They just fucking. I've gotten 4 payouts. I didn't get an email though. I've gotten 3 payouts within, I think, this month with them. This account, I've taken a payout and working it back up. No, copy trade 3 XFAs. Dude, that's crazy. ABC strategy? What's that, Hector? Man. So when did they call you up? When you got your 4th payout in the same account, or did you just get 4 total? I go on Top Step TV, by the way, April 3rd. I thought it was this week. It's next week, April 3rd. You can catch me on Top Step. I'll actually go in the chat this time beforehand and say what's up to everybody. I'll hang out in the chat and whatnot. I'll put it up. Dude, I think they fucking just bottomed. They literally got me out at the bottom. I signed my avatar. Dude, I want to see us retest all the way up. What up, Akram? But yeah, Top Step TV is cool. Damn, CT. Yo, is that how you did it, Sean? No, I think Sean put in the chat he did he was doing jujitsu when it happened. I think he went for like an arm bar and it happened. Oh, ABC. Oh, Elliott wave. Yeah. I honestly never got into Elliott waves. Dude, I got to go coach my kids baseball today. I am dreading doing that. Starts at 6:00. Dude, I'm just tired. Just a rough day. I'm tired. The last thing I want to do is freaking coach kids baseball. The worst part about coaching kids baseball is the other dads that like are there. They all, it's so annoying. They bottom tick me again? Again? Fuck it. Dude, I think we're in for a massive rippy. This is the same setup as yesterday. This is literally the same thing as yesterday. If we rip to high a day, it's literally the same shit as yesterday. Why did we rip anyways yesterday? I miss coaching kids. Yeah, the parents. The parents are the worst. Well, the parents that think they know, the parents that played like some high school ball or some shit like that think they're amazing are the worst things. Other than that, I like hanging out with the kids, like, you know, teaching the kids and whatnot. I thought you can't be within 500 feet of a school. Yo, I'm on a walkie-talkie telling the other guy what to do during practice. Oh. I mean, I like the higher low right here, but we're going to have to get over freaking this area. Dude. Is your kids on? Yeah, I'm not coaching if my kids aren't on the team. I got my son's on the team. So I coach, but already like I'm there. Like, so there's 3 coaches, 2 guys I never met before. One guy is telling me how good he is. But, you know, I could tell you right now he's not that good. So when you need to have a glove on, when the kindergartner is throwing you a rubber ball, you didn't really play that much. What's up, Kron? Show him the D pick. He'll stop bragging. Yo, I'll tell him I'll leave that pick on his dresser when I'm there, when he's at work. I remember I told somebody that on the stream one time when the guy wouldn't stop being annoying to people early on. There was like a hater that came in, and I said something like that. And I was like, fucking, the chat went bananas. What up, kitty? Nas Guru changed? Bro, he's about to get... We'll see what happens. What up, Visible? Yo, what up, Zane? I'm telling you, we hit 100 people on this chat at one time. We got some fun stuff. The chat's growing every day. Yeah, difficult day. It's okay. Yo, Dr. T, what up? What's up, my man? Yo, smash them, baby. How you been? Coveland. Yeah, so 100 people is a would be awesome, and we'll do like a mass giveaway. This thing's pushing whoever's in this. I sold out. What up, Walter? Dude, you're working in the ER right now. Are you in the ER right now? T Trades? Do you have the laptop on somebody while you're working, you're trading at the same time? Oh, you got okay. I was just curious how well, I have friends who are like anesthesiologists, and like they talk about there's like a ton of downtime. It's like you could trade on your phone, I guess. You know, my friend says sometimes he's in there for hours and like nothing. He does nothing, so they kind of just monitor, and he's got his phone in his hand. Oh, not in the ER. Yeah, I guess they're all scheduled surgeries that he's doing. I would think. He's hiding in the coma rooms. Hey, Cove, why you never hold until your take profit hits? Why always selling so quick? Genuine question. Alex, sometimes I have a bad case of premature cellulation. And that's a trading term. Premature cellulation. I got to take a pill for that. But serious. It's something I'm working on holding for longer. How's that sound? They don't make a pill for that. Yo, anything premature is no bueno. Yo, what up, Kaiba? Um yeah, I got to I've told myself that I've wanted to work on holding contracts longer. The problem with me is I make the majority of my money scalping 5 to 10 points at a clip, and I'm highly successful doing it, but I want to get to the point where like I buy here and I could hold for 20 points. You know, the problem is I don't want to try it on a PA account that is like $1,000 away from like this account. Like, say I tried it in this account, like I'm more than halfway to a payout, right? I don't want to try it on that account. I want to try it on a brand new PA account and say, hey, listen, I'm holding. I'm going to buy one. I'm going to hold it for 30 points. Yeah, messy life. Yeah. Also, like when you get down, you kind of go back. Yo, magnificent Mick. What's up, man? Yo, if you're in the chat, say what's up. Mick, if you're in the chat, we want to hear from you. If you're new, say what's up in the chat, man. We want to hear from everybody. Even if it's just hi. But, you know, anybody new? Hey, man, anybody can type in here. What's up, Luca? Yo, what up, Ryu? Yeah, I like hearing from everybody, seeing how people are doing. I don't want this to be like you just watch me trade. Like, it's a hangout. You know, it's a hangout. Learn some things, get some payouts. Yo, Dell, you just scared me so much, Dell, that I thought it was like 1 minute away and I wasn't set up. Lenny's in the house. What up, Lenny? Yeah. Pre-loose here. Yeah, I like hearing from everybody, man. Yo, especially today, man. I got to go in today. Got to do it. Got to do it for the stream. Trader Hacks was here. Today I was taking 180, 150, 57 until I got. Yeah, Bartolo. That's usually how I do it. Small gains over and over and over. But I actually get very good entries a lot of the time. Like, I'll get a really good entry and I just don't hold it. Bottom line. It happens a lot where I'm in at the bottom and I get like $60 and I'm like, that just went for 80 points and I got $60. Yeah, price action yesterday and today have been bad. That's because there's no news, Dr. T. News usually drives us one way or the other, and there's nothing. Yeah, Bartolo, small gains, man. Are you almost for another payout? Rodri's here. John's here. Marco Cross is in the building. What up? What up? Wait, what? What'd Sean say? Damn, Bartolo. That's solid. That's real solid. Here, I'll even give you the clap for that. Yo, Casey. Yo, Casey, you on the stream? If so, say what's up. I see you subscribed, but say what's up. Yo, we're at an all-time high right now in the chat. We just hit 76. That was the tie for highest. We get one more person, we break the record. Cove, do not play the video in the Discord. No, geez, I'm not playing that. Monster trades. Dude, haven't seen you in a while. What's up? 205's in the building. Yo, we just hit 77. New all-time high in the chat. New all-time high right there. 77. 100 coming up hot. Dude, I can't play it. I can't play that. No way, bro. No way am I playing. No. Yeah. Are you seeing 78? $79. Woo! 79. All-time highs. I'm just watching it on the side. $80. We got 80. Do we see 81? 81, 81. Do we got 81, 81, 81? Yo, I wish the price action was good, man. We would be freaking crushing it. You're long, Chad? I just joined in. You might have been number 80. Yo, mute the mic and watch it. I can't. It streams the volume from my computer. Even if I mute my Yo, it's me, Mario. What's up, Super Mario Sunshine? Cove, if you could make a video on how to copy trade on TradingView, I'd definitely send feet pics. Full port, I did make one. I'll make another one. Cobra, what's up, Cobra? Oh, dude, there's a bunch of people from Texas up in here. There's a lot of people in Texas. Vicious, what up? Oh, jeez. Yeah, I'm not watching that. Rough day. This is like my first real red day in like a while. No, so you can make groups. See down here? Go to manage groups, and you can group trade groups. That's how you trade. Oh man, Frenetics. Welcome to the stream. I'll put it in the Discord. I got to go find it. If anyone's hears us talking about the Discord, it's perfectly free. It doesn't cost anything. I just put the link in there. If you want to join, join. Yeah, Luna, it happens. I want to say there's at least 7 to 10 people from Texas in here. Like right now. A lot of people from Texas up in here. How about the Pusty Sea Turtles? Oh, you want it on... I wouldn't copy trade on TradingView full port. There's like a lag. There's definitely like a lag. Dude, we might get that push right here. So if you look, just here we go. And then obviously this blue line right here. I'm playing this. Yeah. What up, James? Oh, geez, dude. Who is that? That's Sean that just posted that? Hold it with 2 hands, Cove. All right. I bought a half position, and I will add if we go lower. How's that sound? If we go lower, I'll add. And if we break out, I add. Yo, what up, Corey? Bob, what up? Dude. I gotta watch that after the stream. I definitely can't watch that right now. I see Skeletor and I see the image. I see the image. I can't. Trading ticks. Let's see what happens. Gotta risk it for the biscuit. Yo, Coach Fred's in the house. Oh, bro, come on. I can't even play that. I just read it. Yo, Pete Jazz, what up? I see that you can trade on TV with the Tradeovate connection. Seems like you have a group connected to it. Yeah, possibly. Yeah, full port. If you make a group and then trade the head of the group, it might copy over. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, pump it, baby. I have Replicanto. I use Replicanto. Ryu, I'm about to set it up right now. Oh, yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if it carries over from Replicanto to TradingView, though. I don't know what the deal is. Nah, Sam, super small. Please break 457 and go to the moon. Yeah, well, Replicanto is good though if you have it. It costs money though; it's not free. Jay Fisk is in the house. Jerry Claus, Piano. Everyone bullish? I guess there's more bullish than bearish up in here. Lack of news is definitely causing it, Sam. Anytime you get lack of news, you get a lot of chop. Dude, the Duck Master's in here along with Victor. What up, Victor? Do I take this off for 160 bucks? Dude, I just took that off. That was a good trade for whoever was in it. That was real good. Dude, that went rippy. I might have to buy it. I always want to use TradingView so I can have everything on one chart because TradingView sucks. Yeah, I always felt like there's a lag though when I use TradingView. I don't know about you, but when I'm on TradingView, it feels like I lag when I'm scalping. Now, if you're not scalping, then go use TradingView because you're not that worried about a little bit. But I always felt like I just felt like I was losing every time. Like I would get in and be down already. And I just felt like there was a little lag. So that's why I don't do it. Yeah, I mean, I have 3 monitors and a laptop. I would definitely have more than one monitor. You know? Holy shnikes. They just dropped that. They just dropped it like it's hot. Dude, if it lets you, just hold. Hold. Come on, man. Come on, man. What up, Jesse? Yo, there's a slight lag for sure. Yeah, and that's my biggest issue with TradeAvate. Not TradeAvate, TradingView. I went half size. I went back to the well one more time. Let's see what happens. I'm not risking much. Damn, they just dropping it? Did Trump come out and say tariffs? Did we get a tariff tweet? Yo, Ninja has a lot of stuff. Ninja has a lot of stuff. Yeah, Cats, you're fine. What size account is it anyways? Is it a 50K or 25K or what size account? I can't trade on one monitor. One monitor would 50K? Yeah, you're fine. You can make up to 1,500 bucks. Ninja Trader, I don't mind Ninja Trader. I just find when I trade on Ninja Trader, I play much bigger. So I have bull knocks on there, and I find myself constantly playing 2 and 3 minis on Ninja Trader, which is no bueno. Oh, dude. Yeah, I don't know. What were people having trouble logging in or something? I contacted Apex about TradeAvate having issues, and they sent me a whole email about TradingView. I'm like, I didn't ask you about TradingView at all. Oh, Ninja has trade management. I did not know that, PG. For multi-contract trading. Customer service is also better on Ninja. I could see that. Now that Kraken bought them, I mean, they're definitely legit. Ninja Trader is too slow. I don't like how the candles move. That's interesting. Yeah. Got 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Yo, Ninja does suck a lot of resources up. I run Ninja, Quant Tower, plus all this other stuff you see. Yeah, at least when it's web-based. I feel like when it's web-based, you don't have to update it either because we're all on the same thing. When it's software, I kind of worry sometimes because we're all not on the same thing when it's software. You know what I'm saying? Dude, this was just looking real good. What happened? Go, baby. Push it. I might take my $70. I was in it on freaking, what do you call it? Oh, baby. Okay. Let's rock. This market needs some bear house. Yo, the Bears aren't even alive anymore. I don't even know what's going on. Ninja Trader is bought by a crypto company. Yeah, Kraken. Kraken is buying them. I don't know when they take over. I don't know anything about it, but yeah, the Kraken's taking over. The stuff I can do with Ninja Trader would blow your mind. I rarely take manual trades and only use custom Ninja Trader strategies. Yeah, I mean, I have some of those. What are you using, like Nebula or Skyfire, Maximus? Ninja and TradeAvate were from the same owner. Yeah. Yo, what up, Josh? Kind of messy. For me, I like TradingView is great for charting and indicators. Yeah, so there's some cool scripts on Ninja Trader that TradingView does not have. That I will say. It's definitely Ninja Trader has some cool things. You know, TradingView has some cool things, and I think it's kind of like whatever you like best is where you use it. But like me, I have both up. Yo, what up, Pine Tree? What up, Carl? House chat playing. Oh, babies, Jay Styles. Oh, it's about to get crazy up in here. I write my own Ninja Trader strategies with special hotkeys, dynamic position size, indicator, integration, pretty much Yeah, so if you can write, that's amazing. Like I can't. I don't know how to. That's like there's a couple of people I follow on Twitter that write their own pine scripts for TradingView. And I think it's amazing. Yo, did we just hit 84? I see we're at 82 right now. So Keith, the bots are good to get in, but to get out is not great. They're always lagging behind. They're always lagging behind the bots. That I will say. It's always like a lag. You know, every time that should I scalp off NinjaTrader or Tradeovate? Both are fine. I like Tradeovate though. Trader Oracle writes all sorts of strategies. You know, that's what I see most people use is the stuff that Andy uses, like Skyfire. Dude, this thing might just go crazy right here, actually. I just grabbed a long in an eval I got. I'm not hanging in long. I'm looking to exit this like right now. I just wrote it with 6 cons. Literally. Got 2 minutes and 55 seconds until algo candle time. So if you're in a position, just watch yourself. You know, you don't know what's going to happen. Right to the pivot point. Yo, we're at the hourly pivot point right here. The hourly is the only one that's different. Jay Styles, hourly is the only one that's different than the other ones. 15 and the 5 and the 3 and the 1 are all the same. But the hourly is different. And the daily is different. Just got my alarm, baby. Just got my alarm. Time to nut up. Do the damn thing. Oh, baby. Yeah, you see? So, yeah, man, chat's been growing. Chat's on fire. We've been getting so many payouts and so many amazing days. This is the first red day I've had in a real long time. Yo, what up, Akash? Yeah, just watch yourself. Watch out. You got a minute left. We're growers, not showers. Bro, how awesome was that short that I made? This candle's really a grower. Bro, I laughed my ass off when I made that. All right, let's see what happens here. Yo, with the bread coming out? Dude. Holy shit, I almost just... Bro, I almost just fucked it up again. That's crazy that I almost messed it up. Boy, do things turn around quickly. Yo, holla at your boy. What? Bro, I just locked in a payout for Apex. Look, I just locked in a payout. 500, what do you call it? I got $395. I locked in a payout, and we about to request $500 after the freaking market. Dell, why would you not play the strategy? Are you not entertained? Yo, smash the like. CT, you're my boy. You're my boy for that. Yo, I pulled over in a parking lot to trade and made $400 in 15 seconds. Yeah. Yo, that's awesome. What? That is most definitely not it, Dell. Yo, that is not the strategy. That's the way we roll. It usually does. So I have to back test to see how many points it gives us. But I would rather go less points, more contracts. So I don't want to lose. So I would rather just, hey, in and out, $300. You on it? Yeah, Luke. Don't worry. When you see other people doing it, CT started it in the chat. I started doing it with him. That sounded not great. But anyways, this is where it pretty much came from. I haven't seen anybody else do it. I'm gonna back test BK and see what the average is. Yo, I'm gonna see what the average is, and I'm gonna see if we could if I can extend it past 5. Like maybe I start doing 8. Yeah. There's 2 things you want to see when you back test. One, how many times it goes up a little bit or down a little bit and then the other way, where you would lose just because it went a little bit, so you'd lose either way, or how many times it just straight moves one way or the other way. Yeah, bracket orders, Dell. Where can I send you the results? Yo, it is a shame you can't put. That's why I like the Discord. Yo, BKR, you could throw anything you want in the Discord. Here's the Discord. Come hang out. There's all types of funny shit in there. There's trading shit in there. Everything that you could think of gets talked about in there. Damn. Yesterday was the first time it went. Yeah. No, I know. Usually it goes one way. And that's why I like playing earnings. Earnings are typically one way or the other also. But yeah. Even cadaver parts. All types of shit goes in there. You know what, Luke? I've done it so many times that it's only burnt me once. So I am so far up that if I get burned, I get burned. But, you know, it's been good. So I can't. That's like the opening range trade. Actually, I didn't do the opening range trade today, and it didn't work. That worked out great for me. Oh, baby. The cadaver parts of your knee. MNQ on MOC breaks is an option. Wait. What happens on What happens on MNQ? Doesn't it kind of do the same thing? Oh, that was so nice. Dude, he made it back on the 355 sweeper. Dude, this thing's cranking. Do you get a little double top right here and then it drops? Oh, he's saying use MNQ if NQ is too much. Yeah. Yeah. No, you could definitely do that. I do it with 3 minis. I'm a 3 mini man. So it swept the high, but it swept the high up here. I'm not taking the hourly sweep. All I know is that was legit. That was too legit. Yo, Peter Ivy. Thanks for the subscription, man. I think I saw you in the chat too. Say what's up. Everyone hanging out? Yeah, if you're new in the chat, say what's up. It's actually right. I'm just looking at the camera. Is it right there? I'm trying to see which way. It's this way, right? Up this way. Yeah, this way. Well, I fucked up. I went long at 350. What? That is not how it goes. 205. Although you'd be up if you held. If you held, you'd definitely be up. Yeah. It's all about playing the break. Yo, Jay Styles played it. Yo, what up, Piano Trader? Yo, sometimes I feel like I'm not even going to lie to you. Like, if I could buy 10 more Apex accounts that have nothing to do with this, and I literally only played that one trade every day. That's it. I only play that one trade. So basically, I trade normal. I get them funded. And once they're funded, I just do that trade every day. Nothing else. I just wonder what would happen. I mean, you crank $300 or $400 a day on autopilot. Dell, I looked, man. I looked. CT was talking about a couple times a day. CT was saying at what was it, like 9 a.m. or 8:30? 8:30, there's something. I don't know. He had some other areas. I've never done it before though. Oh baby. Yeah, Luke. Dude, it's crossed my mind, man. It's crossed my mind. You can't say you haven't thought about it. If you just average it out, and just do it every day, you're got to be up. Like, we're up. We lost one time out of, I don't know, 7, 8. Damn, this is taking it to the house. Ho ho. Yo, I just had the weirdest thing just happen. I had an order get filled on. I just had an order get filled 10 seconds delay on Quant Tower. Yo, X Blader. Yeah. Yep. 5-point take profit, 10-point stop loss. You'll wake up at noon, then the duck race and call it a day. I've thought about it. Oh, shit. I didn't even realize. I just don't follow this. I just went short in a what up, sleeper? I just went short in an eval, and I'm probably gonna regret it. I was only playing the sweep of the highs, rejection of the pivot point, and then we come back down. But I'll probably end up regretting it. I'll do it in here just so it's just so you can see it. You want like 504, 506. Oh, actually, I got to turn this off. Hold on one second. Not turn it off, but there we go. So now you can see it. I'm in. GameStop earnings today. I don't know. Is there? Earnings reports. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. GameStop, dude. Yo, Rumble made a. That's interesting. Rumble had earnings today. There's a lot of politicians that own Rumble stock, which is very interesting. Yo, GameStop. I have GameStop up. The earnings didn't come out yet, if you were wondering. No earnings yet. I mean, this looks like a bull flag. I know there's a pivot point on the there's a pivot point at 506, and we just swept the high of the day. So I was just playing the sweep and come back through. If you're wondering like why I'm in this trade. Oh man. How's everybody's day? Everybody doing good? Bad? Finished strong? Yeah, Take Profit Traders is legit. I like Take Profit Trader as my number one place to trade. Like those accounts to me are so valuable because you can get daily payouts. Chump change day. Hey, you know what? At least you didn't get destroyed. You know? Some green is better than red. I'm risking it for the biscuit right here. We'll see what happens. We'll run the duck race at 420. See what happens there. I'm checking my bracket out on Take Profit Trader. Oh man, dude, that was crazy ending. That was a crazy end for the day. Ooh, Aiden Clark. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, Take Profit Trader till the end of the month at least has a 30% no activation fee. So when you pass your eval and go funded, you don't have to pay anything. It's free. So you save like $130. Just throwing it out there. Yo, Luke. Yo. That would be a good idea. You just play it real quick. This is definitely a bull flag, but see what happens. You can invalidate a bull flag. Or they're just going to hold it here. Yo, I guess you'd have to write that on Ninja, right? Ninja would be the only one that would be able to do it. GME's up 6%. Dude, who's buying? Oh, dude, it came down already. It's down, oh yeah, 5%. Yeah, 6%. Oh, this thing's all over the place. Somebody, Forex nurse, somebody get on that shit. What could GME possibly be offering that anybody would be like, institutions are buying GME? Get out of here. Who's buying that? Who is buying GME right now? Let's. Come on, man. I'm looking. Let's see what GME has to say. Dude, they're going to add Bitcoin as a treasury reserve asset? Dude. Yo. So messed up. They're basically riding the Bitcoin train. That's what they're doing, is they're buying Bitcoin. That's wild. So are they going to become the next MSTR? Shorts who are closing out. Dude. Sales to you drop. That was almost last month. LOL. Wait, what was almost last month, dude? I feel like I missed out. Yeah, MSTRY is I think the yield max. Yo, I was trading when GME went to like $400 and something. I remember that. I was in the gym a bunch of mornings and I was looking at my phone and the shit was all the way up. Government BTC Treasury reserves. What's his face shorted it. Carl Icahn shorted it at like $400 and something. Made a killing. They obviously have the money to do it. Obviously, GME has ran up so much that he took the shot. It was like $420. He went short. Any ringers on the baseball team you coach? No. It's like coach pitch. It's not even real baseball. It's like coach pitch. There's no outs. You basically run one base at a time. Dell, you're holding one XRP? I think you're talking about Cohen. I'm talking about Carl Icahn. Carl Icahn owns it's a publicly traded company, but it's Icahn. I guess it's like Icahn Investments. Yeah, Cohen is the GM, the CEO's boy or the CEO. I don't know. If you want to watch a good documentary, they have The Restless Billionaire. I think it's on HBO Max, and it's about Carl Icahn. Because I took a trade before that, probably. I got in at this blue line is where I got in at. So the trade is down. Oh, Cohen's the CEO? Yeah. Carl Icahn's like 85. Oh, I didn't go. No, I'm not long, Ali. I shorted it. The reason I shorted it was I thought, we swept the highs. And when we came back through, I was looking to short it. And also, I knew that this pivot point at 505 was right here. So I felt that we would kind of hit our heads here and sell back off. Yo, I saw Bookie. So Bookie's good. I will look at that. I saw it and didn't watch it, but I feel like I will watch it right now. I might put it on tonight. Wait, Luke made some money? I was loading on XRP all year in the 50-cent range. Sold it when... Damn, Luke. That's nice. I am the liquidated one. I'll put it on, Maximus. Yeah. Is it pick an Icon and Cohen hanging out together? I'll take a look. Carl Icahn was who they based the original. So when they made the original Wall Street movie, Gordon Gekko character was loosely based off of Carl Icahn. He was like the first corporate raider in Wall Street, like one of the first people to start really doing it. So if you're interested and you like the market, that's a good documentary. Guys, we hit an all-time high today, actually, in the chat. This chat hit, I'll tell you right now what it hit. Oh, it's not going to show me until I jump off. Oh, no. Dude, we did 88. Once we hit 100, I'm telling you, I got some stuff. No, I have the analytics up. We hit 88 at 347. And then we hit 87 at like 350. My wife's going to kill me if I spend any more money. Been there. Yeah. Milton, that's a good day, Milton. Have I ever heard of quad stochastics? I have not. What is it? I'll look at it. Yo, hopefully you bought those Tesla shares like a couple days ago. Quad stochastics? Tell me how I'll bring it up on the thing right now. Wait. What are you talking about, Chad? What do you mean it's getting news? Yo, it's like Fight Club. Oh, the chat's growing because of it. Dude, I hope people come because we make money through the day. That's just like the icing on the cake. So it's a strategy from teaching arena. Yo, if you want, you could throw it in the Discord and I'll take a look. Yo, it's market on close. It's a bunch of orders that hit towards the end of the day. By the way, while we're sitting here, yo, if you have questions about indicators, prop firms, if anything, now is the time to ask. Now is the time to ask because I could show you on my screen. We could talk about it. There's no trades going on. If you have questions about prop firms. Here's a sheet that has, I would say, information about a lot of them, like withdrawal amount, pros, cons, costs. I'm actually going to jump out of this. It's getting late. Yo, yesterday was the first day that it didn't work for us. When it hits, it hits. Yo, I'm requesting $500 in payout today because of it. Get paid, baby. You know, get paid. Hopefully tomorrow I'll go after the rest of these accounts and try to pass. I'll try to pass a couple. See what happens. Yesterday flicked up and then down, and that's what caused it to not work. Yo, Hector, man, I'll see you tomorrow, brother. Thanks for coming by. Like always, I appreciate everybody that's on here. I feel like this community I feel like it's good. A lot of knowledge, a lot of people having fun, you know, entertaining, but yet we also make money at the same time. Udemy has a ton of stuff on there. Ton. Yo, we're running the Ducks in 3 minutes. I hope his duck doesn't win. Dell. Oh, man. Boom, 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 boom. Damn, this thing's taking off. We're over the pivot point. We are over the pivot point. Man, I'm not going to lie. I'm so glad we hit at the end. It kind of made the day feel a little bit better. Definitely made the day feel a little bit better. If we hit tomorrow, I'm going to request money in this account too. This is another account. I think I need to go to like 52,950 and I can request. So if we hit tomorrow, I'm going to request in this account. Yeah, today was a shit day. I'm not going to lie. Today was not good. You know, you just got to roll with it. You can't let the shit day early on, though, dictate the rest of your day. Like, you know, I could have easily just said F it and just signed off and been mad. But, you know, I stuck with it and we finished the day super strong and in requesting a payout. You know, you just got to stick with it. Yeah, CT. If it's chopped like today, I am going to go to micros like 5 and I'm going to try swinging it. I'm going to do bigger stops and I'm going to be swinging it. So I'm going to go to 5 micros and look to play large. Like I'll be holding it. Let it go. Oh, man. All right, boys, let's run this thing. All right, let me get everything up. Let me get it up. By the way, if you are new here, we stream live 10:30 in the morning till noon. And then I take a break while I eat my lunch. And then we come back at 2 p.m. and we jump off around 4:30, 4:45. Damn. Hold on one second. I got to fix this now. No, I don't. But if you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER below. It should automatically give you the best discounts that are out there. If there's an issue, let me know. And that's what allows us to do all these free accounts. So if you like free accounts, use the coupon code. I am just setting this up. Oh, what the frig just happened? We're going to run this. We got to run two, and then the two winners are going to play each other. I haven't been able to read the chat because I'm setting this up, but what's going on? Boom, 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 boom. So this is, most of the people are in the morning. So it's morning stream, afternoon stream, and then the two winners will play each other. So this is the morning, guys. Quack, quack, baby. Let's go. Dude, who do we got? Who do we got? Yo, I don't know why Etsy puts these ads. Like, who's got a button in their eye? Like, why would I click on that Etsy ad with a button in her eye? Freaking weird. Yo, you came out too strong. Swimming hard there. Uh-oh, the Trump duck. Duck has never won, by the way. I think they have a code in the back end. Never lets the Trump duck win, by the way. You block Argent. I have to. I have to. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Four. You got. Are you here or we're going to rerun it? 424. Yo, he went limp. Oh, he's in here. Okay, now this is all the afternoon, guys. I gotta set it back up. Damn, man, they just keep pumping this. Pump it up. I identify as Enrique. Yo, that shit's funny. If you got questions about, I'll put the Discord in there one more time. Oh, shit. I almost just posted everybody's freaking... There you go. Oh, Marie's been around for a while. On top of that, she's getting payouts. Chad. Hey, man, shooters shoot. You know what I'm saying? Got to shoot your shot. Got to shoot it out there. Otherwise, you know, you're never going to win. Oh, Luke, he's done. He's done, Luke. Just chalk it up. If Enrique wins, we run it again. It can't be Enrique versus Enrique. So just letting everybody know because I saw him out here. Let's go. Who's going to push? Who's going to push? Dude, Milton coming out of nowhere. Oh, stopped. Jay Styles. Mad Maxi. Look at that. No, it's 427. You got 2 minutes. 427. 429, I hit the button. 429, I hit the button. Oh, baby.
The system is totally rigged.
Dude, 429, this button's getting hit. And we're going to rerun this thing. Yo, if you just went long at the end, man, they're just pushing this. This is exactly what we did yesterday. Chop, chop, low. Chop, chop, come low. And then we ran at the end of the day. This is the same thing we did. This is literally the same pattern as yesterday. Yo, once my screen says 429, I'm hitting the button. I'm watching the chat. Bro. Rules are rules, baby. Rules are rules. Run it again. Let's go. That's why you got to be here. Quack, quack. Quack. Dude, I don't see my duck. I think there's ducks off. Oh, there are ducks off the screen. I don't see my duck. Am I going to push? Yo, you're probably at the back with me. Corey. Oh, they just. PG, are you here? PG, are you here? Yo, it's 4:30. You got till 4:32 to claim this. All right, hold on. It's you versus Enrique. Mad Moxie, you won, but you weren't here. We had to rerun it. You weren't here. No. No. Enrique won the first race. There's too many people, so we got to run twice. You got to run. There's too many people, so it only allows me to run 100. So we got to run twice. Yeah, my bad, dude. Yeah. If it means anything, you would have been where PG is. So let's see if PG wins. Because if PG doesn't win, you would have lost anyways. So see what happens. Uh-oh, PG's gonna win. I got PG's gonna win. Oh, baby. Yo, he's got the S on his chest. Yo, PG, hit me up for that's my email. Yo, you gotta go with Superman. Yo, Luke, they can't let that happen. Dude, that's why you gotta stay until the end, because you never know. You never know if people are around or whatnot. Wow, this just freaking ripped. This didn't move all day, and then you got a 100-pointer at the end of the day. It's literally the same thing as yesterday. And then run. Look. And then run. Same thing. Yo, GME earnings just pushed it. Is the yellow line like VWAP? Yeah, it's VWAP. You just got to, BK, you just got to double check sometimes. You got to like zoom out because Tradeovate will recalculate VWAP. Like the line gets messed up through the day. So you got to scroll out and look, and then it'll recalculate it sometimes. What are the settings? I just use this one. It's called CEVWAP. And to get it, you go to indicators. You go to explore community indicators. And then you basically just type in, type in VWAP. And you can probably use any one of these. There's a bunch, there's a bunch of them. Yeah, they all do it, man. You got to like scroll out and have it recalculate. Yo, later, Cash. Yo, later, Chad. But the settings are base. I don't change anything. I saw another duck cross the finish line. So I got some ice cream. Man, Moxie. Yo, what type of ice cream did you get, dude? I want to hear about the ice cream. I love some ice cream. Yo, later, CT. Yo, BK, any questions you ever have, just ask, man. I'll show you on my screen all the time. That's what this is about. Helping everybody out. Oh, man. Dude, that was a wild day. That was a wild, wild day. Yo, Amir, welcome to the stream, brother. Yo, later, Luke. What's up, Amir? If you're on here, say what's up. What do I want to just look at? Oh, man. Oh, I'll check it out. Okay. I got you right now, man. I got you. Appreciate it, dude. Anybody else on here have any questions, indicators, trading questions, prop firm questions, questions about anything? Yo, Amir, what's up? Yeah, what's going on, man? Obviously, the day is winding down, but yeah, welcome to have. Good to have you on the stream, man. Good to have you on the stream. Oh, today, how much did I make? You can see I copy traded, so it was 395.70. About to request the payout. Dude, my garbage man came so late today. Yeah. Listen, I didn't have a great day today. It's one of my few red days, but like anything, sometimes we just have bad days, and it is what it is, you know? Yeah, yo, Amir, I'm on it from 10:30 till noon, and then again 2 p.m. to 4:30, all Eastern time every day. So feel free to swing by. We do account giveaways. We hang out. Kaba, I just sent you it, dude. You're all set. If you're on here. I'll email you back anyways. Just so I have the records. Oh, all right. This is a wild day. Oh. Man. Yeah, I got you. All right. I am going to call it. Oh, I just got your email. PG. All right. I'm calling it here. I got to go coach my kids baseball. Yeah, PG. I got to go coach my kids baseball. I got to eat dinner beforehand. So, yeah, things are good. I will see you guys tomorrow, and let's make some money tomorrow. All right. Peace.